What's good, YouTube, man? It's LT1J, man. I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can see, I got the LT1 back again. Finally took delivery of the car again, man, after the dealer pretty much sat. The car pretty much sat at the dealer, man, all summer, which is pretty hilarious. But it's unfortunate, man. Life happens. Y'all just, you gotta take the good with the bad and the bad with the good. You know what I'm saying? So life does happen, man. So last 2 months, car went out the dealer, man. Had a oil pump issue with the car. So really, for those of y'all who don't know, it's my 2017 Krypton Green Camaro Zl1. Pretty rare color, but I took delivery of this car back in May, about 2 months ago. I drove it about a couple hundred miles or so. Then the oil pump went out, unfortunately. So I've been dealing with that issue for the last 2 months. If y'all haven't watched them videos, go back, check them last 2 videos out. Last video, I dropped the car back off at the dealer because it was still having an issue after they replaced the oil pump. Took it back to the dealer. They basically replaced the oil pump again and the solenoid valve, some solenoid valve there that has to do with the oil pump. They replaced again, as well as some seals and whatnot. So looks like they got the car running back fine now. Everything's good. So I've been driving the car for about a week or two. So yeah, man, I just been babying the car around. I didn't want to, do nothing too crazy, especially after they tore the motor down and everything. They want to make sure everything's good. So now, man, we finally ready to give y'all a first drive video in the Z. So we're gonna go ahead and do a first drive video, man, and y'all can see my just reaction. It ain't too raw since I've already kind of felt the power, man, but hey, man, coming from an LT1, like, this is absolutely crazy, man. Like, I know a lot of people, they usually debate on whether or not to, upgrade the SS or the LT1 or get a Zl1. And bro, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, man, this car is a lot more than just a SS or LT1 with some extra horses. Like, this car is absolutely ridiculous, man. The way it sits, the way it handles is ridiculous. It's absolutely insane the way this car handles. It sits different, the seats hug you tight. This car is crazy, man. This is obviously by far the fastest car I've ever even been in, let alone drove, man. So, like, seriously, bro, like, this car is so quick, it's not even funny. Try and get some good pulls in. Maybe a bit hard, man. This car is so fast, it's like you can't even really get you need a lot of room to go fast in this thing, man. Like I said, this car gets up super quick, like super quick. But man, those that don't know as well, man, a little bit about me, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm 23, bought the Zl1, like I said, a couple months ago, man. Just grinding. I'm gonna make a video on, how exactly I did get this car. For those of you that are interested, in hearing a little story, hearing how you want a Zl1, Hellcat, whatever, man. You can grind up, get the same thing, man. I'm just like y'all. I be on YouTube, always watching videos of Zl1s, Z06s, Hellcats, anything that's even supercharged, all that, man. So, life's a blessing. So, you wake up every day, man, you can't even waste the opportunity, bro. Like, for real. Like, hey, everyone waking up, man, like, you got an opportunity, go get up, grind, go chase your dreams, you know what I'm saying? I'm only 23, so I don't got all the money in the world, but I am trying to get to it, you feel me? So, hey, man, it's just a blessing. I gotta enjoy y'all, and hey, I want to share this with y'all too, man, because the car is ridiculous. I could have never imagined owning something like this. So funny enough, I said this car was hooking. That was probably one of the first times I think I ever seen the traction light come on and this thing didn't hook. That was pretty interesting, man. But I'm telling y'all, this thing, I got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Bro, this thing's hook. Like, this car literally just hooks, man. Like, I literally don't know what wheel spin is in this car. Like, seriously, like, you can really see the difference between what a Hellcat is and a Zl1. Like, it's all, they all got their own characteristics. Like, the Zl1 is just so much more track oriented. Like, it's so much more planted. Like, you gonna go around corners, take all of them at crazy speeds. The Hellcat, you step on it, it wants to just fishtail, burnouts, have fun, that kind of thing, man. So it's kind of like a pick your poison kind of thing. fast that was, man. I ain't even gonna say how fast that was. Just know we going to jail. 'Cause like, it gets to a point sometimes, bro, you just be holding on, like, you like, oh my goodness, I'm only in second gear. Like, bro, top of second gear is 80 miles per hour. So you mean to tell me by the time like, you gonna be shifting out at first more times than not. So you talking one gear. You can only realistically rev out one gear before you're going to jail. Because as soon as you slap third, boy, I'm talking about 90 to 120, bro, you're gone. I'm talking about third and fourth. Like, that's the thing about these cars, bro. And that's the difference between the SS and the Zl1. The SS, you put it in third and fourth, that's where it kind of starts to, you know, fall on its face. You put it in third, it's going. Put it in fourth, it starts to fall on its face a little bit. I promise y'all, the Zl1, you put it in third, it's pulling like it was in second. You put it in fourth, it's pulling like you had it in second or first gear, bro. Like, it's insane. And then on top of that, like, anyone that's driven like a Vet or a Camaro, especially the higher performance model, you can feel like the car cutting through the air and being aerodynamic. Like, you can literally feel this car cutting through the air. Like, just the way it handles is crazy, y'all. Like I said, the way this car handles is crazy. 45 mile per hour zone, allegedly. Allegedly, that may have been triple digits though. I told y'all saw me put it in third, man. Once you go into third, it's like, it's a different ball game. And the shifter too, man, like compared to the SS, if you had an SS manual, you went to a Zl1, the shifter, the clutch is a lot more heavier. It's a lot easier to stall. The shifter as well over here, it's just a bit more heavier, but I like it though. It's a bit more precise as well. It's just very, I don't even know the words, very notchy of course, but I mean, like, I don't know, in my opinion, it's hard to miss a gear this trans. Like, it's pretty great, to be honest. So no complaints there. It's to the downshifts. Stock exhaust, it got a little pop on it. Just a little pop. Nothing crazy though. I'm gonna show y'all the speedo, man. Like, it's just to give y'all an idea of like how fast like this car really is, man. Like, y'all have no idea. All right, y'all, I'm coming at y'all from my phone since the GoPro wanted to die on me already. It was too quick. Yeah, man, cruising along the Zl1. As y'all saw, man, you know, speedo. Like, this car, the acceleration, like, I hope like this video will do it justice, which I know it won't. But the, you know, the acceleration that you get from this car is absolutely ridiculous, man. Like, cannot even put into words, bro. Like, I don't even know what else more to say. Like, it's really like that crazy. Like, this car is quick, man. Like, and it's comfortable too. Like, y'all can see, man, I'm just cruising along. Like, you know, this is all the creature comforts you would ever need in a sports car anyways. Like, you don't need nothing crazy. So I mean, this car, you know, it definitely checks off all the boxes, stuff like that, man. And yeah, like, man, I don't even know what else to say, man. Like I said, big blessings. You know, we big Zl1 gang now. So I mean, like I said, man, y'all gonna start seeing the Krypton green a lot more. This is a little intro video, man. I didn't want to go too crazy anyways, cause I just got the car back. So I just want to get y'all a couple pulls in, man. Finally get y'all a first drive video. But you already know we got a lot more. I got a lot more stuff planned, man. A lot more stuff coming. As y'all can tell, man, the mods are gonna be on their way. I'm not even gonna really say what I plan on doing to this car yet, because I do plan on doing something absolutely stupid. So hopefully, you know, that all goes as planned, and you know, y'all just gonna see it, you know, come on the channel if it does. So in the meantime, between time, you know, we're gonna be making videos. I still got the LT1, so we're gonna be making a couple videos on that as well, man. And yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, like, subscribe. I actually just hit 1,000 subscribers today, man. So like I said, man, thank y'all for getting your boy to 1,000 subs. Yeah, man, get y'all a little pool.